Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with a brand new Android 13, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on this operating system. So first of all, in order to show the percentage on the status bar, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the battery. As you can see, it's quite easy because in this section at the very bottom we've got the battery percentage option, and all we can do actually is to simply tap on the switcher, and after tapping on that, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will be displayed right next to the battery icon. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, but I will stick with this option because it is quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in the Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.